Alright, good morning from Hawaii. Just came back from walking the dogs. This is, what's your name, buddy? This is Tua. And he's 2 years old. Tua Samoa, named after the Tua Samoa rugby team. And that's Manu. Manu Samoa. Yeah. He's also 2. He's a husky mix. And Tua is a terrier mix. Yep. Your last meal before you go to Samoa. This afternoon we're flying to American Samoa on Hawaiian Airlines. This video I'm trying to make it's just to help out any pet owners out there that want to take their dogs or cats to American Samoa. Oh man, dogs don't even know. Howdy, man. You're gonna be a free dog, Tua. You're gonna be a free dog, Tua. Tua, you hungry? Let's eat, buddy. Come on. Let's eat. No, sit. Sit, buddy. Sufa, tai, fai, mai, me, ai, Tua, Manu. Amen. Go. Go. Oh, yeah, man. Hey. Up. Hey, Mom. I'm gonna go on the airplane, okay?
No, you made him get up.
No, Dad, don't come here.
No, I want to record them. We're gonna go on the airplane.
Sit. Manu, sit. Hey, sit. Sit, Manu.
Manu. Sit, Manu.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Look by.
Hi, brothers. You ready to go on the airplane?
Hey, say hi again.
No, come on. Hey, Alan.
I'm at the airport.
Come on, Spider-Man.
What's Jersey wrong with you? Okay guys, today we're at the airport. We're gonna drop off our dogs. Oh, look at them.
Shut up.
Shut up. Right.
Shut up.
Oh, what are you guys feeling like, bro? What are you guys feeling like?
Okay, Manu, I'll see you in Samoa, okay, buddy? Okay, Manu? See you in Samoa, buddy. Love you, Manu. Alright, buddy.
Oh, bye, Manu. Manu's sad.
Manu's leaving?
Bye, Manu.
You're gonna take him? Manu, we'll see you in 5-6 hours.
We'll see you in 5-6 hours.
Manu, I need you to drink
for the dogs? Oh, I would be sad too.
They're coming, girl. They're coming. Mom.
You gotta push him.
Mom, we'll try to play.
Oh, yeah, take
Did a good sleep, Joe? It's here? Come quick, boy. Oh, yeah, Kelly. Yeah.
It's outside.
Come on.
Tua's sleeping in his crate.
No, you came up. Hey, Tua. What? Come on.
Are you coming? Yeah.
Hola, hola.
Yeah, I told you, Daddy. The sun's out.
Yeah, okay. Alright, let me put on my shoes. I don't want to walk.
Manu! Manu!
Hey, baby. Hi, Samoan dog. Hi, Samoan dog. Manu. Yeah.
Hey, where's this collar?
Boo, 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 boo.
Ready?
Morning, Manu. Morning.
Come on, Manu. Come here.
Coming with you.
Oh.
Mai e papala I da wala dia ko ris piko.
That was even worse.
E kusa uma.
No, but that one has so much cuddle.
Yeah, that one's better. Good. Quanto? Yeah, kura ka fari. Here's. Olha como é que Aku. Ya lu lo interview. Usa aqui.
Come on.
Como toa. Sungai a manu. Ya, koe vai a sore o lai a kutero.
Hey, you know when those dogs were barking? Mine
Yeah.
was whimpering.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. He was like, oh. And I was like,
Yeah,
stand your ground, mommy. Stand your
I gotta groom him. I bought the dog clippers before we go back.
And then when he sings,
Oh, you want one of them? Go for one of
gonna
them.
bite you.
I'm a little bit. Okay, no, it's not what it is. I wait for Fogum. Oh. Olha. Parece como o Terry, ó. Parece como o Terry já fica. É um maluco, ó.
Hey, you think that's too
Aí o ala vê fama, mocoia, ó.
She's in our store.
Aí vai cá, como vi cale só, vai falar na cofa.
Não vai. Não vai lá, vai lá, foi lá, stress.
E o falei lá no sítio aí, ó. A falei lá aí.
Na kuma.
Ele faz ele, ó.
Foi lá fama, foi para ali.
Aí que deu. Bom. Yeah, olha, go fire, mocoia.
Did you bring your phone?
Yeah, as long as it's dead though. Lápis. Aquilo lápis. E tinha que usar muito lápis. Vamos comer. Eu falei com coisa que é única. Foi com uma única.
Oh, Rabies here?
You know, Nikki?
Yeah. Huh? Remember Auntie Mickey? Yeah, she's here.
Ele não foi melhor que ele Mickey.
I can't tell which one's which. Who's that?
This is grandma. This is grandpa. And great grandpa.
Oh, that's okay.
This is Mickey.
Oh. Oh, that's Auntie
Sai
Mickey.
jau.
That's Auntie Mickey.
Why don't we have someone? Why don't we have a?
Vamos dividir.
Why don't we have a grading chart?
Oh my gosh, he's peeing on the thing.
Cortou.
Ó. Eu camada aí foi para ali, ó. Para coisa para.
Oh, throw
Eu
the
olho.
feet on there.
Para ali cara.
Pode ficar
No,
numa
no, no,
qual
no,
deu.
O yellow para ali. Ó.
Come.
Pode deu. Não, como pode ficar.
Eu falei lá Nick, quem é o Nick? O Nick deu.
A Terry lá. Vai comer coisa.
Ó. Ele com o mote. Olha uma dela.
Lembra, né?
Vamos fechar uma água.
E Jake.
Isso, como é que olha, olha uma.
Who's talking?
Mas que eu lápis, eu vou lápis. Eu fazer aqui, Kiki. Ó.
Foi aqui. O que eu vou fazer aqui, mas o valor.
Isso, como pulo é comer. nobody's gonna take it.
Yeah, there's no wind.
Yeah, my fish.
Oh, you guys already put up the deck?
Yeah, we played yesterday.
Was there any other thing?
Kau ba fed boarding ngangi?
Yeah, we're
Yeah,
just playing.
all the kids here.
Ska lo paki ya. Lo paki. Oh.
Kalau pakai doang,
Come on.
kasih aku.
Mo sa pik. Go. Amari lo. Sugari faton mo. Wah, laus. Kami la pisikus. Me fa un kama ko ni. Me fa men la pisikus. Pura waka I la video de. Kama ko nu. We're in American Samoa now. I'd like to share some tips for you if you want to bring your dogs to American Samoa. After you complete the paperwork, you send it over to the Department of Health. They will review the paperwork. It's the dog import forms. And then they'll send it to the Department of Agriculture. And they're going to sign off on the permit. And that's the permit you need to show at the airport. I would say go to the airport in Honolulu at least 3 hours before your flight. So we got there at 1 p.m. and it takes a long time for them to process the paperwork. It took over 30-40 minutes to process the dog papers because they don't know. A lot of people don't bring their dogs to American Samoa, and the employees don't know. I would say the number one tip, so that's the tip number one, go to the airport early, 3 hours before your flight. And then tip number two, have some patience. Hey, can you like on me? Have some patience. They're gonna process your paperwork for a long time, so have some patience. When they do that. And when you get to American Samoa, bring some scissors with you. All right. Tip number three: bring some scissors with you to cut the zip ties. The employees in American Samoa didn't have a scissor, so we spent 30 minutes looking for a knife or a scissor to cut those zip ties. All right, bring a scissor with you. I don't know if you can, but put it in your luggage, so after you pick up your luggage, you can take it out and cut your zip ties. And tip number three, tip number four is to have somebody to help you. They don't have the flat beds to put your dog crates on top. So what you can do is take them out of the dog crate and then walk them outside the customs. Walk them outside the airport, okay? Don't try to carry the crate that's too heavy for you. Especially when you have two dogs. When I bought two dogs, if I have one dog, maybe somebody else can help you carry the dogs outside in the crate. But I took them out of the crate inside the baggage claim and then walk them outside. All right, that's the tip. Make sure all your paperwork is squared away. Get the health certificate. Get all the required immunizations, the shots for your dogs. And bring scissors. And then go to the airport early, and you'll be fine. All right. And then tip number 5: call Alaska Airlines to make your dog reservation on the airline. I'm gonna tell you, Hawaiian Airlines, they'll tell you you can't bring dogs to American Samoa. It's considered international flight, whatever they're trying to make excuses for not to bring your pets. But Alaska Airlines, thank you so much for making reservation for my two dogs to bring them home. You know, it costs a lot of money. I would be very disappointed if they turned me away at the airport in Honolulu without my dog. So I'm happy I called Alaska Airlines to make a reservation for my my pets, my 2 dogs and my little tour. And they made it home safely. And, yeah, happy that they're here. All right, so that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoy it. Yeah, see you in the next one. Lovaku.